Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're new or if you're a returner, don't forget to hit that like button, please and thank you. Today's video is going to be about this wig that I purchased from EBONYLINE. It is called Ramona in color FHSWEETBRN, or SweetBurn, sweet brown, sweet. You'll see in the video, but keep watching to see how I took this from out the box and got it to this. Stay tuned.
Tell me what's the vibe. Tell me what's the vibe.
Okay, so this wig is Freetress Equal. It is called the LACED HD Lace Front Wig. The name is Ramona. And the color that I got it in was FHSWEETBRN. So that's the color that I got it in. It's a Shake and Go brand. And like I said, it's a lace front, 5-inch curved lace part, and it comes pre-plucked. So that's it again. And I decided to get this color because I usually get red, or I've gotten blue, I've gotten purple. So I decided to go back to another color that I usually go to, which is like a brownish color. So, okay, so this is the hair. It's black at the roots, and then you have like the highlights. And it comes with your 3 combs, 1, 2, and 3. Like I said, it is lace and has like the little baby hairs if you want that. And then it also has your adjustable. So I'm gonna put it on. I don't know why I still have you on. I'll cut you off because I don't need you. Right. Okay, so this is it before I cut anything. And I'm feeling it. I am feeling the hair, feeling the color. So, and I like the way this drops and the way like this curls at the side. So now I'm gonna cut the lace. I'm not gonna cut it on my head because I know that I'm gonna mess that up. So I'm gonna put it on my little front here, and I'm gonna cut it. Alright, so the lace is now cut already. So I'm going to use, I actually just bought this, so I want to see how it works. This is a lace tint spray, and this is the color Mocha. It says it's transfer resistant, water and sweat resistant, and a pigmented formula. Clearly I don't want to be here. Alright, so the lace is tinted. Just an FYI, when you're spraying this, I did not follow directions. It's supposed to be 4 to 6 inches away, and then you spray it because it'll seep through the lace and get on the hair, or it will get on your hand, which it did on me. So I had to wash my hands. You could get it off with acetone remover. Soap is not going to do it. So acetone remover or alcohol will get it off, but just be careful. Like spray good amount, like 4 to 6 inches away from the lace. Not too close like I did, because I don't know why I did that, but I did. So the lace is tinted. This is the hair without the lace, obviously. So I'm going to glue it down and then style it up for you. So I use my Got to Be Glued. I'm gonna tie it down. I'm going to use the Miel Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel to lay down the edges. And I'm always losing the edges that come with the hair. Like, it's always disappearing from me. Alright, so I fixed down some of the baby hairs. I'm going to use some of this. This is Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil wrap me foaming mousse. I'm not going to put a lot. Literally like this much. It's really going for the top. And then finishing off with BIOSILK Silk Therapy Original Pure Soy. I'm not even saying that right, but I'm gonna use this to like really give it some sheen. So here it is. This is Ramona in color FHSWEETBRN or Sweet Burn. But I love how it is looking. Definitely love the way it falls. There is a little shedding. I'm not gonna lie about that. There's a little shedding, so just be careful like how you're pulling it and, you know, playing with it and teasing it. Definitely to keep this curl, I'm gonna put a roller in before, you know, when I set it down. And I am loving the way the lace tint colored that, so definitely 10 out of 10 for that. And 10 out of 10 for this here because I love it. I love the color. I love how it looks on me. I love the way it frames my face. And, you know, falls with good length for me. So definitely. This is also available in... This is also available in FH Mulberry Sweet Brown. That's what it's called. Sweet Brown. And Almond. So these are the other colors that it's available in, and I believe it's also available in 1B Black and Jet Black. But these are the color versions that it's available in. So if you want to get it in, definitely get it in that. If you want to get it in this color, I definitely recommend it because I'm really loving how it's looking. All right, see you next time. Bye.